Valdis Dombrovskis is the EU Trade Commissioner. I asked him what this agreement would mean for European businesses.
For EU, the main issue with this agreement was to address long-standing balance in our economic and investment relations, given the fact that EU's market is substantially more open than China's market. And with today's agreement, we basically are redressing this imbalance and dealing with three important sets of issues. First, ensuring level playing field in China's market. Second, improving market access for European companies to invest in China. And third, also having substantial chapter on sustainable development, doing, for example, with climate and labor rights issues.
I'm just reading through what's not included. I mean, what's not in this? It's a long list, it seems to me.
Well, indeed, this is a targeted agreement. This is an agreement focusing on investment. It's not a free trade agreement. So clearly there are many issues which are not covered by this agreement, like, for example, trade in goods and services, public procurement, just to mention some areas which are not included. So this is targeted agreement which focuses on investment opportunities and helps to address existing imbalances between EU and China concerning investment opportunities in each other's markets.
And for those of us who are not experts in investment, how significant is this?
I would say this is a significant agreement because, as you know, not only EU, there are also other countries concerned with situation vis-à-vis China, the economic imbalance we are facing. So what we are now having now more disciplines on China's state-owned enterprises. We are having more transparency on subsidies. We are ensuring that China's state-owned enterprises which are active in the market work based on commercial considerations, and we are improving market access for European companies, for example, in area of manufacturing. That's where more than half of EU's investment in China currently are, but also in a range of services sectors.
What's the significance of the timing? Why is this deal being done now? Is it because Germany is in the chair at the EU, or perhaps US presidential transition is underway?
Well, first of all, this is an agreement which took a long time to negotiate. So we negotiated it some 7 years. And already in 2019, at the EU-China summit, agreement was reached to aim towards conclusion of this agreement by the end of 2020. Of course, from EU side, we had been emphasizing for us its substance over deadlines. So to reach this agreement, it was important that China was indeed moving and addressing key asks of the European Union as concerns this agreement.